No matter where you land on the low high spectrum, depending on the state, on the things that we've established, it is helpful to kind of have a baseline to kind of know the a ballpark of where you should be setting up. And so this is just making sure that you're getting paid at least a living wage. So that will also depend on where you are in the world, what your expenses are, what your responsibilities are. But that will help you figure out basically what you're able to do to start with now, and then you'll be once you're able to scale, of course, you can increase that number and hope to reach for the stars in some ways. But what we're doing now is really kind of establishing the floor. So what you basically like if you were to make this amount for for a certain amount of time, you'd be okay. You wouldn't be like living in a mansion or anything, but you would be fine. Your health would be fine. We don't want your floor to be you hustling too much for your health either. So you can take a look at your monthly expenses and needs plus desired profit and divide that by the realistic number of clients you can take per month, and that will give you a minimum package price. And I want you to remember to take things into consideration like taxes, processing fees on Stripe and PayPal and those things, any admin time as well. And if you have somebody, if you're able to do your own bookkeeping or if you have to hire a bookkeeper, because in most countries you have to do your taxes. Not all, but most countries have some form of tax documents that you have to do. So keep that in mind as well. And so I have a bit of math here. So because I'm going to be working with people not on a one-on-one basis, a synchronous basis, but more of an asynchronous and low ticket offers, I have a monthly needs and expenses of $2,000 in USD, and I want an extra 1,000 in order to be able to reinvest in my author career. And so, how many clients can I realistically take on? I can probably do 20 Loom reviews of like critiquing and helping people improve their email welcome sequence. I can probably realistically get one purchase per month, per day of my low ticket product. And if I were to do a live workshop, kind of like this one, but where I would help people personally, like one-on-one, helping them set up their welcome sequence, that would be probably 10 people max that I could do. So if I charge $49 for that product, that's 1,400 bucks. I need 1,600 from the other two things. So if I were to set up the Loom review at $80 and workshop at $160, that would give me my $3,000. Now, these are on the low end, and that's because, as I mentioned, my audience is very price sensitive. But the amount of work also that needs to be done, actually, let me bring it back. Like these Loom reviews won't take a lot out of me. I could do these once every weekday, and it would take me probably like 20 minutes max. It wouldn't take a whole lot. So I still have room to scale. I still have room to do the other things I want to do, which is, my actual author business. Um, and I still have time to plan workshops. In that $2,000 I account for taxes and paying my bookkeeper and for softwares and things like that. So I still have room to scale, but I'm still pricing at a place where it makes sense for my audience specifically.